Today I'm taking you along to the Social Hub Glasgow. This modern hotel recently opened its doors in April 2024 and sits right in the heart of the Merchant City district. The lobby feels functional yet stylish, with self-service check-in stations that make arrival smooth and efficient. It's a smart setup, perfect for travelers who value convenience. The Social Hub is known for its hybrid concept, blending hotel stays with student and extended stay options, and this space reflects that versatility. Now, let's check out the Executive King Room, one of several room types here, alongside standard, deluxe, and extended stay studios with kitchenettes. At around 18 square meters, it feels a bit small, but it's big enough for a comfortable stay and stylishly designed with modern furnishings and a cozy king-size bed. The 496 rooms cater to everyone from tourists to digital nomads. Here's a nice touch, a handwritten welcome card from the Social Hub paired with a Tony Chocolonely chocolate. It's a simple gesture that adds a bit of warmth to your stay, practical yet thoughtful, showing attention to detail. Back downstairs, the lobby offers more than just a check-in spot. There's a pool table, a PlayStation 5, and a ping pong table, all free to use. It's a great way to unwind or connect with others, reflecting the Social Hub's focus on community and shared spaces. Next up, a small shop with the Social Hub Glasgow merchandise. You'll find essentials and locally inspired items here, convenient for a quick grab or a souvenir to take home. It fits the hotel's vibe of blending utility with a local twist. The restaurant here is definitely worth exploring. Known as the Commons, it's open all day, starting with a breakfast buffet that offers a strong lineup. Think British classics like full English breakfasts, Scottish specialties such as porridge or haggis, and international options to mix it up. Beyond breakfast, they serve up delicious lunch and dinner dishes too, from hearty mains to lighter bites, all crafted with a focus on quality. Vegetarian and vegan choices are available on request, making it inclusive for different diets. And for those who like to keep active, the gym here stands out. It's a spacious area with a great range of brand new equipment. Think top-notch cardio machines, free weights, and strength training gear. Whether you're into a full workout or just staying on track, it's well designed to meet your needs. That wraps up our tour of the Social Hub Glasgow. A few highlights: the stylish Executive King Room, compact yet cozy; the Commons Restaurant, a standout with its all-day dining and tasty variety; and those fun play areas in the lobby, pool, PlayStation 5, and ping pong for free.